Welcome back to Spy Garage.
By placing itself in a price range more typically associated with superyachts, the $25 million Ford Motorhome, a conceptual masterpiece of mobile luxury, questions the entire idea of a recreational vehicle. This fictitious invention offers a degree of custom luxury and technological sophistication that is, in every way, a palace on wheels, surpassing the limits of traditional land-based transportation. Despite having a Ford chassis, this car is the result of extensive re-engineering and customization that pushes the boundaries of what is conceivable in terms of home and automobile design. Exterior and design, an expression of unmatched wealth. The $25 million Ford Motorhome's exterior would be a symphony of cutting-edge materials and unique design. It would be a futuristic, sophisticated, and commanding building rather than a conventional motorhome. Although fundamentally a Ford, the chassis would undergo significant reinforcement and modification to accommodate a very heavy and intricate body. Aerospace-grade composites and custom alloys would probably be used to build the body itself, guaranteeing structural integrity and a low curb weight in relation to its size. With a multi-stage, hand-polished paint job and unique chrome or gold embellishments, the outside finish would be a work of beauty. The bulletproof, electrochromatic glass used to make the large, flush-mounted panoramic windows would provide instant privacy at the push of a button. In order to create a size that is genuinely residential, the design would also include automatic, hydraulic slide-outs that significantly increase the living area while parked. This motorhome's $25 million price tag is entirely justified by its inside. Each component would be a unique, handcrafted work of art. The living room would include specially made furniture covered in exotic fabrics and the best Italian leather. Rare wood veneers, polished marble, and hand-woven silk rugs would grace the walls and floors. The main salon would be transformed into a private theater with a cutting-edge entertainment system, including a retractable, movie-grade screen and a custom sound system. With Gagano or Sub-Zero appliances, handcrafted cabinetry, and worktops crafted from a single slab of a rare stone, the kitchen would be the envy of any professional cook. With a king-size bed with an adjustable mattress, a walk-in closet with automatic carousels, and an en-suite bathroom with a heated marble floor, a giant walk-in shower, and perhaps a steam room, the master suite would be a haven of comfort and technology. Technology and independence, going beyond superyachts. The motorhome would have more technology than many superyachts. Everything would be managed by a single AI-powered command center, including navigation, security, lighting, and climate. With its large solar panels, quiet hydrogen fuel cell generator, water purification system that can turn salt water into drinkable water, and waste management system, the vehicle would be completely self-sufficient. For its wealthy residents, full connectivity and privacy would be guaranteed by high-speed satellite internet, a secure communication network, and cutting-edge cybersecurity measures. The $25 million Ford Motorhome is really a statement rather than merely a car. It is a custom, one-of-a-kind commission made for a person who wants the utmost in luxury, seclusion, and independence, all within a movable platform that alters the definition of home. It is the epitome of home artistry and mobile engineering.